All right, we got our Tom Brady's back from PSA. It's time to open them up, see what we got. All right, the moment of truth. Oh, like the chrome was on top. So flip them. All right, we'll do the bottom one first. It is PSA 7. Tom Brady. That's the Bowman 2000, the regular one. Rookie card. Not bad, not bad. Was hoping for an 8. I knew when we first got it that it had little issues on the edges and everything like that, but still a good looking card. 7, not too shabby. And now the chrome. The chrome was in good condition. It looked like it could be a 10 in theory, but the centering was off. So let's see how it ended up. Boom! 9. Mint 9 Bowman Chrome Tom Brady 2000. Man, that's at least a $3,000 card right now and going up in the future. So there you have it. PSA 7, PSA 9 Tom Brady rookie cards. We picked them up at auction, $50 in a lot of all kinds of different trading cards, and these are great. Great return on investment. Beautiful cards. Love it.